Hello guys, what's good? I hope you all are doing great. And welcome to my channel again. It's been a little bit longer that I've not been making videos making tutorials videos how to make stuffs. Okay, today I have some requests from some of my subscribers. They want me to show them how I make all these Igbo kind of high life. Okay, today I promise that I will do that video, and now the time now is about 2:30 a.m. Okay, and I'm awake right now. My voice is a little bit messy, but don't bother about that. I hope you're hearing me, very well, clear and sound. So today I want to show you the depths how I make all these Igbo kind of high life. And remember, one thing is you're feeling this is my heart, this is my feeling, this is how I feel. The sounds I hear when I'm making sounds, I just trying to match them together, and the results are all those amazing high life beat that you all see on my channel. And today I want to show you how I make those high life beats. It's very simple. If you I don't know how to explain it because this is very simple stuff, okay? It depends how you want it to sound. The groove can take you in different dimensions and directions, depends how you start. And today I want to start by making this beat. I don't know if I'm going to start with the laying down the kick, the drum patterns before the melodies, or I start with the melodies before the pen. So today you can see on my here I have laid down I've put some of the instruments I want to use on my rack. And before we jump into this tutorial, and if you have not been if today is your first time of watching my videos, please kindly subscribe, and thank you for that in advance. And if you are one of my subscribers that have been here with me for all this long, thank you for staying there for me, staying there for being there for me. And let's go. Okay, let's jump into it. I've set the tempo 97. Or I don't think, yeah, we can change tempo as time goes on, but now let's leave the tempo at 97 ppm and making the drum patterns first. Then after laying down the drum patterns, then we go on to the keys and the lead and all that. Okay, let's go. So as we beat progress, I'll be telling you now. I want to add. I know what I want to add now. Let's see. Let's add some. Let's add this now. I want to add this back right now here. So let's add a back and see how it sounds. This is how I make all my beats, and so sometimes it take a long time to figure out, you know. This how it goes. That one down front, put it well. It's just like that, going like that. Okay, making the beats. We're getting that groove gradually. You know what I mean? That's what it is. This is how I make my sounds. Okay, gradually, one after the other, laying down the drum and the percussion pattern right down, and later on we do the instrumental. Okay, so have patience and patience, please. So can we record this one? So just get done with the recording. So give it more life. Save. Remember to save your projects. Whatever you're doing, remember to save it. Okay. Now I think with these for percussion, and we can go on with the keys right now. So see what melody we can lay on top of these loop right now. We have a descent loop. This we have a descent loop. So what we got to do now is cut out some of the noise lows, so that sometimes I like to pitch down my instrument to sound the way I like it. I like to pitch them down. With this loop, we can now go and lay down all the instruments on top of this loop and see how it changes the sound. But I'm satisfied with just simple clean loop. Okay, you can feel it, it's great. We can even, if we try to take the BPM up to 107, you see it's changed everything of the pattern. So let's bring it down again. So let me try to see what I can do with the guitar. All right. I like the sound. I think I like the sound. So let's record with that one. Let's start with that. Okay. I think I like that sound. Okay. So let me quantize it. Let's see how it, this making this beat is simple for me. The way I see it's very simple. It's not hard to make Afro highlight beat because this is what you comes into your mind at the time. So you have to make it real. Bear with me, this is taking much of our time. I don't really want to make it to be more than 10 minutes, but it's taking our time right now. At least we're having a good sound now. You can feel that's vibe. All right, so let's continue. My mouse just fell off. So let me record that on top of this one and see what we have. All right, let's see how it goes. Let's contrast this and see. Bear with me, this video is taking long, but I have to do this for my subscribers, you know what I mean? I have to do this to make this video for them. So let me lay down vamp on top of this one guitar right now. See how it sounds. Okay, we're just nothing. I don't have anything in my head. It's just trying to figure out, you know, to show you how I work naturally. Not trying to, you know, pre-recorded stuff. I'm just doing it just like I'm in the studio. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I work. Okay, let's go. So done. Let's hear. Let me listen and see how it sounds. This one more quantile as well. Yeah, now I have quantized. Excuse me. I've quantized all the melody I just laid down, the vamp melody I just laid down. So with all of them on all the beats, this is how it sounds. We are getting there. We are getting there. Just a little bit, you know, tweak and melody and all that. We are there already. Okay. So now let me add the bass. The bass is gonna be, you know, the backbone of every high life. Their bass are simple, but it's powerful. You know. Let's go to the bass fret so that later I will do a freestyle stuff. Bass. I told you the bass is simple but it's powerful. Alright, just two lines and everything changed. Okay, let's go. So let me record that and the bass on top of this, the loop, and see what we can get. Let's go. So let's quantize that and listen. See what we have here. Okay. Remember to save your work more the time. See, this is how I make all my high life beats. This beat is simple, and the next thing I will be doing is let me just do a freestyle lead guitar. I play guitar, but I don't play with a professional like what you hear on my beats, because I use my keyboard to play the guitar, or you hear on my beats. Okay. Self-taught guitar player, and you know what it is. And remember, all these you see I'm showing you I'm doing is self-taught. I never had a teacher by my side, but I fell in love with production, and here we are. Okay, so let me just do some freestyle on this. Guitar freestyle. This is how I make all my beats. I'm just playing something, that I have inside, melody that comes across. I just, it's just the feeling, it's just the vibe, the groove, you know what I'm saying? So this is how I make all my sounds, okay? And before we go, let me just record that lead guitar and leave you guys here. All right, let's go. Just record that lead guitar and leaves you guys with that. Let's go. Okay, let's listen to that lead I just recorded now. All right. This is the lead I just recorded right now. Yeah. I think I will share this beat. Okay. I think I will share this. I will just finish up this beat and drop it this beat. I'm feeling it. mouse keeps on falling. Um, okay, so if you love this video, share this video, like this video, give it a thumbs up. You know what it is. Your boy, Mr. Zion, on the beat. MSG Records, MSG Beats. You know what it is. That's what it is. That's what it is. Okay, just share with your friends and your loved ones and your family. Okay, show them this is how we can achieve. Okay, and I may drop this as a free. It's gonna be my free. think I would drop these. I would drop these particular FLP. I think I will drop it. I will drop it free. Okay, check in the description below to download the free FLP of this particular how to make Highlife Pete 2020. All right, because guess what? I have now 22K subscribers. Whoa, we're gonna power up champagne. All right, so today I'm so happy. I hate my channel just hit 2K subscribers. You guys are amazing, so that's why I'm giving out these particular FLP. It is free. Share with your friends and loved ones, and don't forget to invite your friends, your family members, your cool guys to like and subscribe, and remember to hit that bell so that whenever I upload a free stuff, you will be the first to get the notification. Alright, so this is how we roll. It's your boy Mr. Zen signing out. So before we go, listen again to this great sound. It's just rough work, no mixing, nothing. And